Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be going over the scatter plot in Module 3. And if you're curious of what the exact correlation coefficient is, you can get the raw data in many areas in the homework. For example, here in Module 3 homework, question number 14, click here for raw data. So we'll click there and we'll go down to the most recent edition, third, and click right here. We'll look for Happy Planet. It is here. We can click there and save it, our Excel document. And I have it saved here on my computer. And there's a lot of columns. The two that we're interested in to see how they're correlated are this one, happiness, and footprint, which I have highlighted in both of them in red, as you can see. So we'll park our mouse there to get our coefficient stated right there. We can click anywhere, but I like to put it on the second column that we are comparing. We'll go to FX, and Pearson is the name of the test, Pearson correlation. If you don't see it in the list there on set for most recently used, you can type it in this box up here. So I just got done doing this this morning, and we'll click OK. And rather than give you the answer, how about I just do the first? We can see this number here along that's moving along with it. Let's just say 10. First 10 alphabetically arranged, and we'll click on Array 2. Array is a list, and we'll do 10 there. And we can get a peek here at what our coefficient is for the 10, and we can click OK. So it's pretty strong. It's not negative, otherwise it would have a minus sign. So it's a positive correlation. That means as one column of numbers goes up, so too does the other, for example. And if as one column goes down, so too does the other. So 5.5 to 5.6, that went up. 2.2 to 1.7, that went down. So it's not a perfect correlation right off the bat. But in general, I think we're going to find that they are agreeing. 5.6, this one went down, these two went down. What happened here? These two went down. How about these two went up? Up there. How about these two went down? Also went down. So -1 to +1, those are the upper and lower limits of correlation coefficients. -1 is a perfect inverse, and +1, where there's no minus sign, that means it's plus or positive. 1 is a perfect positive correlation. And Excel is not, this is Excel, and it's not going to tell you whether the correlation is statistically significant, meaning did this number happen by chance? Did this correlation happen by chance? We can go elsewhere to do that. A place called Vassar Stats. Let me get a peek at that coefficient again, because Vassar is going to ask that 0.835, Vassar College. Significance of an observed value of R. R is correlation coefficient. N is number. We had 10 in both. And our R is 0.835. And we'll calculate. And non-directional, Another term for that is two-tailed. That means we're interested in whether it's inverse or direct correlation. If we're interested in only one direction, that would be directional. Either way, it's statistically significant because the p-value reported here, probability, p is probability, is less than 0.05. So this correlation coefficient means is happened probably not by chance, that there's a real correlation there. And thank you for watching.